Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so you know that moment where a lot of people do tell you that, oh, you do look good when you wear hair, you look nice, hair looks good on you and all that. Okay guys, so this is the first time that I wore hair and I felt like, oh, this is for me. I mean, this hair looks so perfect and so great on me. Yeah guys, so I wear this hair and it feels so amazing. But anyway, before I get into the details and telling you guys the reason why I felt like this is good, let me show you guys the brand and how this hair came about. Okay guys, so I got this hair from the West Kiss hair. So they sent me this gorgeous unit and it was amazing. So when I opened the box, I brought out the hair and then there's a lot of accessories that came with it, the band, the lashes, a lot of things like usual. So this is the wig cap, this is the band and the comb, the wig bag and everything. So there's this thing they gave me. I do feel like it's the glue or the gum that I can use and fix hair if I want to. Okay, back to the head. So this is a 22-inch 7-in-1 brown coily pre-cut 5x5 HD lace. So first of all, I brought out the hair from the bag and then I'm trying to bring the net out from the hair as well so that I can see and feel the texture of the hair. So when I brought everything out, I'm trying to like feel and I don't know, for some reasons I feel so good about this hair. So there is this thing that struck me so much about the style that they give this hair. I don't know how they think about it. I don't know how they got this style, but it makes this hair so unique and lovely. So they did this braid something in the front as a style on the hair. And first of all, the first time I saw the picture, because like they sent me a picture before they sent the hair to me, and I saw this braid, so I'm like, oh, I think this is going to look good, I think this is going to feel good. So and they equally did cut out these edges that I was supposed to like style back. And then, because I don't know, the styling they gave to it probably is because of the packaging, it kind of flipped up, but I mean, it's something that you can easily fix and it's going to be good. But guys, can you guys just take a look at the lace of the hair? I'm always very particular about the hair lace, right? So the lace of this hair, there is no I didn't bleach the lace, no nothing, and the lace was melting into my skin. Like, I mean, I think it's a transparent lace, or no, I said it's HD lace. Why am I saying it's transparent? So that means it's a HD lace. So HD lace feels like your skin. So at this point I didn't even use foundation on the lace yet, nothing. Can you guys even see? It's just like a little piece or a little bit of the tiny lace in the front that you can see, because I said I did not bleach the lace, nothing. Then another thing that struck me about this hair is the fact that they carved out the ear part of the hair. You see, I didn't touch it, nothing, but they carved out this ear part. When I wore this hair, this is how it came. So I tried to, because like I kind of noticed that. I noticed it when I wear the hair, when I put the hair on, that this hair was not sitting on my ear. You know how whenever you put on the hair, like you notice that the hair is always on your ear and all that? This was different. So I just wear it, and guys, when I say wear go, this is an example. Like, there is nothing. You can actually just wear this hair like this and just go about your business without stress. The ear part is perfect, the hair is sitting pretty, and it's sitting tight on my head. Like, it's just so perfect. The lace, the everything, like, I mean, I'm short of words, because when I was done wearing this hair on, like, I wanted to use my voice, but you know how I don't like my voice. There's a lot of noise in my background, so I couldn't kind of play my voice. But like, I wanted to use my voice and explain how I feel, because like when I was done making this hair, I told people, like, I made a little video and posted on my WhatsApp, and I was telling my WhatsApp contact that, yeah, I think this is going to be my perfect hair now, because like this hair looks, can you even see the color? The color of the hair is perfect. I don't know why I'm praising the hair too much, but like, I mean, it what's the hype, because the hair is really good. I do feel like because of the color, because I don't know, for reasons, I do tell brands, I love color hair more than the natural color for some reasons. I don't know, but I do like any hair that is not just like the natural hair color, because I'm tired of the natural hair color. I want some life, like, I mean, I want some colors in my life. Okay guys, so when I kind of noticed more the the lace is showing the more, so I had to just like use foundation just in the front part, because yeah, that part was showing and it need to sit tight on me, so you need to like, I need to just flat, but like it's just like it's nothing, it's just because I'm a perfectionist, I want it to be perfect. So but there's one thing, this particular edges that they brought out, so I don't understand how it was misbehaving for me. So I had to fix that. At this point I don't even know what I was supposed to do, because I had to do something to it. I was not going to leave it like that. So what I did was I thought to comb it out, then use my coiler and coil it and try to adjust it, like, you know, style it the way I would have done if I making my hair. So I use my coiler, the tiny coiler, and then I go ahead and coil it just like I would have done if I'm the one that cut it out. Yeah, so when I coiled it is like this. So I got my gorilla gel, and then I'm trying to create my edges just like I would have created the edges, you know. So I tried different styles, I cut them out in the editing. It didn't work out, so I decided to settle for this particular style that I'm doing. So I wanted to do like different things, but like they didn't work out. But I'm actually happy I just did this simple style, and the simple style, like, it looks good as well. Can you see, just it's just, you know, sitting. I love everything about this hair. You know, the hair is good. You can equally say, so I'm using the got to be spray to melt down the front. I don't even know why I'm doing that, because like this hair doesn't really need me melting it down, but because I want to slay, you know how when you love a particular hair so much, you're going to go all out, right? So I want to go all out for this hair. So guys, I put my got to be spray just a little bit in the front, and then I had decided to tie it just to get my melts down. I mean, I'm not even supposed to style it, because like the hair is just a weird go, you can just put it on. After that, I wore this hair different times, and I just wear it. I'm not putting any spray on it or anything. Okay guys, so there's one particular thing that you have to do on this hair. This hair is a coily wig, right? It becomes more coily and lovely when you put water on it. So I used water to coil it the more. So when I put water, like, it makes the hair perfect. And equally, I used my styling mousse. So when you put mousse on it, oh, yeah, you are going to feel it. You're going to feel how the hair is. Oh my god, I feel good. Like whenever when I put the styling mousse on this hair, I feel like lovely. This is amazing. You need to, you know what? No matter how I explain this, you will never feel and or understand what I'm talking about until you hair or you touch this particular hair. This particular hair is amazing. So I'm using the styling mousse to just like style it. But before I use the styling mousse, remember I used water. So I use, well, you can just use it like only water, and just use water and you know, like, first of all, just, you know, touch water on it, is going to straighten it out, then you put your styling mousse, and then everything is going to be perfect and lovely. So I am doing just that, and this hair feels good. Like, I feel good, and everything is sitting well, and everything is perfect, and everything is nice. Okay guys, so moving on, I removed my band, and this is it. The lace is nowhere to be found. Exactly. And that is the HD lace we are talking about. You know, that is the HD lace we are talking about. And I am proud. Like, I am proud. I feel so good. I am proud of the brand. I am proud of. So I had to do like a test equally, because I had to put my comb, you know, like I put the got to be spray is still not like a glue. It's still going to be glueless because it's not a glue. So I had to do the comb test, because the comb passed through it and it kind of swiped, and the hair is still perfect. Okay guys, so this is actually the end of the video. I hope you love this video as much as I do. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, put on your post notifications, and I'm going to see you guys soon. Bye.